Good everyone, my name is Graphics. Today we'll take this example on permutation. Now we have n permutation 2 is equals to 12. Now what we are going to do is that what? We remember that what? My n permutation arrow is equals to what? N factorial divided by what? N minus arrow factorial, just like we previously said. Now that means in writing my n permutation 2, it will be my n factorial all over my n minus 2 factorial is equals to what? 12. Now, you will now see that, remember that my n factorial is equals to what? N into bracket n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 2 multiplied by n minus 3 multiplied by n minus 4 multiplied by n minus 5 till infinity, depending on the number of n, like I said in my first video. Now, my n factorial can also be what? N is equals to what? N minus 1 factorial, if I have to stop at n minus 1. My n factorial can also be what? N into bracket n minus 1 into bracket n minus 2 factorial. If I'm to stop at 2, I'll put a factorial end of it. My n factorial can also be my n into bracket n minus 1 multiplied by my n minus 2 multiplied by what? My n minus 3 factorial, because I'm talking about what? 3 factorial, n minus 3. My n factorial can also be n into bracket n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4 factorial, because I'm talking about my n minus 4 factorial. So anywhere I'm stopping, I'm going to end it with what? Factorial. Now look at this question. I'm having n minus 2 factorial. In my denominator, you know when we have like 5 factorial all over 3 factorial, we are going to say 5 times 4 times 3 factorial all over what? 3 factorial, because my denominator here is at 3 factorial, and I'm going to stop at what? My 3 factorial, so that the denominator will cancel the denominator here. I will left with what? 5 times 4, which is what? 20. Now look at this case. My n minus 2 factorial, we see that I can find my n minus 2 factorial in my n factorial, just like I have explained here. Now look at this. So instead of me writing my n factorial, I'll be writing what? N into bracket n minus 1 into bracket n minus 2 factorial, because I want to stop at n minus 2 factorial. I want to stop here because my denominator here is n minus 2 factorial, just like what I have here. Now, if you look at it very well now, my n minus 2 factorial will cancel my n minus 2 factorial. I'm going to be left with what? N into bracket what? N minus 1 equals to 12. Like I said in my earlier video, look at this value here, this 12 here. You ask yourself, what are the factors of 12? That if I multiply them, they will give me 12. But the condition is that what? 1 must separate them. Now look at this now. If I multiply 12 times 1, if I multiply 12 times 1, I'm going to have 12. But if you check in between 12 and 1, 11 is in between them. So this guy is no-go area. If I multiply 6 times 2, 6 times 2 will give me what? 12. But if I look at the difference between them, it is 4. This is no-go area. But if I take my 4 times 3, it's going to give me 12. What separates them? Just one difference. That is the condition. So 1 is separating 4 and 3. And we say permutation factorial is the multiplication of numbers from the number below the number. Now look at this now. I'll now be having what? 4 times 3. I will together now. So it will be going in a descending order. Now, just like by comparing both of them, my n here is equals to what? My 4. That's what I wrote here. Or my n minus 1 is equals to what? My 3. Now, n minus 1 equals to 3 can still be written as n is equals to what? If I take my minus 1 to the other side, I'll be having 3 plus 1, which will also give me what? 4. So my number here is 4. All together. So thank you very much. Watch out for my next video. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends too. Catch you later.